The iPhone SE 4, also known as the device identifier D59 and project codename Ghost, is a continuation of Apple's low-cost iPhone series that is expected to replace the current third-generation iPhone SE. Apple intends to abandon the old iPhone 8 style design utilized for the past two generations of the iPhone SE with the release of the fourth-generation iPhone SE. Instead, the iPhone SE 4 will have a more modern design and a larger display, similar to the base model iPhone 14. According to newly discovered specifications, the iPhone SE 4 will use a tweaked version of the current iPhone 14 chassis, with the same flat design. The current dimensions of the iPhone SE 4 completely match those of the base model iPhone 14. Recent discoveries further reveal that the fourth-generation iPhone SE will not contain a Touch ID home button, instead opting for an all-screen design based on the iPhone 14, with Face ID functioning as the biometric authentication system. The iPhone SE 4 is estimated to be 6 grams lighter than the iPhone 14, weighing 165 grams. The weight increase is most likely due to Apple's planned single-camera configuration for the gadget. Unlike the iPhone 14, the iPhone SE 4 will have a single 48-megapixel rear camera created under the codename Portland, as well as a new backplate to accommodate the design modification. The decision to use a single camera design is consistent with all previous iterations of the iPhone SE, as is the placement of the flash. It's worth noting that there is substantial evidence to support the single camera design, with Apple's internal literature identifying it as a crucial difference from the iPhone 14. Aside from the single camera design, no other significant variables could contribute to the iPhone SE 4's weight. There will be no material modifications, with the fourth-generation iPhone SE using the same 6013 T6 aluminum as the iPhone 14, as well as a glass backplate. Prototypes of the iPhone SE 4 have been spotted in a black hue that closely resembles the midnight color variant available for the iPhone 14, implying that black will be one of the color possibilities offered by Apple with the fourth-generation iPhone SE. Although the iPhone SE 4 retains the same chassis proportions as the base model iPhone 14, the smartphone will include two key innovations that set it apart from prior iPhone models: a multi-purpose action button and a USB-C connection. While Apple is testing a new capacitive capture button for the iPhone 16 line, there is no evidence that this feature is being tested on the iPhone SE 4. The capture button will most likely remain limited to the iPhone 16 series. It's crucial to realize that the information shown here is pre-production and may not match the hardware found in final mass production devices, as changes can happen at any time during development. So, there you have it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Subscribe and click the notification bell for more tech news update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.